So now we're going to move on to our writing. Okay, we are writing about the life cycle of a frog. So we are writing a report on a frog. Okay, now to start off our report, we need to tell everybody what it is that we are writing about. Okay, so our first sentence is going to be, this is a banana. No. This is a frog. How many words is that? 4. How many finger spaces do you think I'll need to see then? This, finger space, is, finger space, a, finger space, frog. Can you remember what comes at the start of your sentence and at the end of your sentence? At the start of a sentence is a capital letter, well done. And what comes at the end of our sentence? That's right, a full stop. Okay. So our sentence is, this is a frog. Okay, this. How do I write this? Using your thread fingers. This. Remembering our capital T. So a very long body and a hat. So a T and a H. Well done. Down the horse's head, to his feet, up and over his back. And remember to underline your special friends. S. This. This. What comes next? That's right, a finger space. This. S. Remember my finger space. S. If you've got any lollipop sticks in the house or something that you can use to help you remember your finger spaces, then it might be a good idea to go and get something to help you, because sometimes we forget about our finger spaces. Okay, so it's good to have a little reminder there to help us. This is, what's our next word? This is a. This is a. We don't need to use our thread fingers for that one, but we do need to use our thread fingers for our next word. This is a frog. Frog. Let's use our thread fingers. How many sounds? Frog. O, G. O, G. What do I need to remember at the end of my sentence? A full stop. This is a frog. Okay, what are we going to write about next? What's a baby frog called? Can you remember? A tadpole, that's right. Will we tell everybody what a baby frog is called? A baby frog is a tadpole. How many words have we got? 6. A, finger space, baby, finger space, frog, finger space, is, finger space, a, finger space, tadpole. Well done. Okay, so our first word is A. Can you remember what a capital A looks like? That's right. It's like a triangle with a line through the middle, or a mountain with a line through the middle. Ah. What do I need in between my words? Finger space. That's right. Finger space. Do you think I've got enough room to write the word baby in there? No, I don't think so. I'm going to go into my next line. Baby. Okay, let's use our red fingers to sound out baby. B, A, B, A. B, A, B, A. Baby. Okay. B. Now remember, sometimes we get a little bit mixed up about which way our B and our D goes. So we go down the laces to the heel, up and over the toe. A. A. Can you remember how our A sound is? Some of us haven't learned it, so if you're not sure what the A sound is, then ask one of your adults to write it down for you, because remember, if you don't know a sound, then you don't write it down. Okay? Can anybody else remember? A. Special friends, and A and a Y. Underlining your special friends. B, B. So then I do my B again. B, A, B, A. Remember those special friends again. Baby. Baby. We need a finger space. Baby. Frog. We've already written the word frog. We've got the word frog here. So I can just copy that again. Or you can use your red fingers to spell it out again. Baby. O, G. Baby frog. Baby frog. S. S. Remembering my finger space. S. Baby frog is called. Called. Using your red fingers. K, O, L, D. Called. K, O, L, D. I'm just going to check what I've written to make sure it makes sense. Baby frog is called a baby frog is called a tadpole. That's a really long word, but we can break it down. Tad, pole. Tad, let's start off with tad. T, a, d. Tad. T, a, d. Round the dinosaur's bottom, up his big long neck and down to his feet. Tad, pole. Pole. Now the O sound is a sound that we have been learning this week. Okay, so I wonder if you can remember what the O sound is. Now remember, not everybody's been learning the O sound, so if you're not sure, then double check with your adult. Okay? P, O, L. Pole. O, blow the snow. an O, and a O. We've got special friends. P-O-O. A baby frog is called a tadpole. What goes at the end of a sentence? Full stop. Well done. Okay. Now our last sentence. Okay. What are we going to write about? We could write about what a frog eats, or maybe where a frog lives. If you want to challenge yourself, you could write another 2 sentences. Okay, I want to see who's managing to challenge themselves. Okay. I think I want to tell you where the frog lives. Okay. A frog lives in a pond. Or a frog lives in water. It's up to you. Remember, you can choose what you want to write. Okay, so our first word is ah. Okay, so remember, at the start of a sentence we have a capital letter. Well done. Ah. And we need to remember our finger spaces. A frog. There's that word again. We've already written it. We can just copy it from up here. A o g. A frog. And in between our words we need a finger space. A frog lives. Lives. L-E-V-S. Lives. L-E-V-S. A frog lives, and then we need a finger space. In okay, now I'm going to write in the water. Now the is one of our red words, and it's one that we've been practicing, so we should know how to write the. Okay, now remember, sometimes we want to write the, but it's not the, is it? The. Okay, a frog lives in the. We've got a t, a h, and an e. If you've got your reading folder at home with you, then Miss Mullen put a red word list in there so you can see if you can find it. And you will find the on your red word list. A frog lives in the water. 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 Then bring our finger space. A frog lives in the water. Is that my sentence finished? I forgot to put my full stop. Well done. I'm just going to check over what I've written just to make sure that it all makes sense and to make sure that I've remembered all of my finger spaces and all of my full stops. This. Finger space. Is. Finger space. A. Finger space. Frog. Frog. This is a frog. Full stop. A. Did I remember my capital letter? Yeah, well done. A. B-A. Baby. Baby. Finger space. Frog. S. called, called, finger space, a, finger space, that big long word again. Let's split it up. T, ad, tad, p, o, l, pole, tadpole. A baby frog is called a tadpole. A frog lives in the water. Okay, remember, you can challenge yourself by adding in more sentences, or maybe see if you can use a joining word. Remember, our joining words are and, but, because. If you manage to do your own research on a frog, you can maybe include some more information that I've not put in my writing. Can you tell me anything else that you know about a frog in your writing? I'm really looking forward to seeing this, all of your hard work that you're doing at home. Remember to think about what your next steps might be. Okay? If you have forgotten to do some of your finger spaces, then you can write that your wish for next week is to remember your finger spaces. Maybe you could use a lollipop stick to help you to remember. Okay? To help you, I have put a picture of our letter rhymes into our writing folder on Google Classrooms. So if you need to have a look at what your letters look like, then that will be in the folder on Google Classrooms, as well as our picture of the life cycle of a frog. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you managed to write about. Okay? And luckily, this time, Cooper didn't disturb us. I'm going to show you what Cooper's doing right now. He's been sleeping beside me this time just to make sure I managed to get the writing finished. Looking forward to seeing what you managed to come up with.